Welcome everybody. This is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 589. Before we begin, let's show the time here in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. We'll just hit refresh. It is now 10:10 p.m. my friends. That means we are 10 minutes after the last team Winnipeg would have sold in his box break. We've gathered all the information and we are ready to go. This ended Wednesday, August 31st for one box of Series 2 retail. Happens to be box 9 of 11, all from the same case. Boxes 10 and 11 are already up, and they go Monday, Tuesday next week. And that'll be it for Series 2 retail. Only a few more boxes to go, plus tonight's. If you open up the description of the team that you bought, not only will you see that information there, you'll also see that serial number there. Why that's important is because this was listed over a week ago. I have the box in front of me with that same serial number, so you know we're opening the box we said we would. If you haven't already, please subscribe to 1313 Milan Soccer on YouTube. If not, it's okay. I always send the video link via eBay messaging. Let's go over the rules really quickly. Let's use Hockey MC as an example. He has the Avalanche tonight. I'm going to open up this box. There's going to be 24 packs. Each pack contains a hit. That hit, and only that hit, which is a card, is the card that gets mailed out. So if there are any Colorado Avalanche hits, I'm going to package them up and mail them to Hockey MC3 to a shipping address on file. In the unfortunate event, however, that there are no Colorado Avalanche cards, I still have to mark it as shipped on eBay to clear it off the system. However, nothing's going to be shipped to Hockey MC3 because there was nothing to ship. I know we paid 65 cents shipping and handling, but that is a small collection from everyone, the amount of product, packaging, and postage that needs to go with the Series 2 retail product. Email me with any questions you may have. Let's get to it. Ashos has the Coyotes, the Bruins, the Hurricanes, the Jackets, the Stars, the Oilers, the Rangers, the Penguins, and the Lightning. Collector Cards has the Kraken, Seashell, the Senators, Hemi Orange, the Ducks, Hockey MC has the Avalanche, Jovan has the Sabres, the Flames, the Blackhawks, the Predators, the Devils, and the Blues. Kekres has the Wild, the Islanders, the Leafs, the Knights, the Capitals, and the Winnipeg Jets. Marley has the Flyers, Marty has the Red Wings, Mistab has the Canadiens, Nux Okerman has the Canucks, Spare Parts has the San Jose Sharks, and Steve Kellis owns the Panthers and the Kings. So let's remember that serial number 554786 as I bring you guys over to the webcam. And before we crack this open, let's show that serial number up and close. 554788. Oh, I got out of focus there. 554786. As promised, as advertised, and now being delivered, my friends. Here we go. Retail again has been a pleasant surprise. So let's hope it continues for you guys. Box break number 589, box 9 of 11, Series 2 retail. Here we go. Pack 1 is a Superstar Honor Roll for your Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price. We have an upper deck canvas of UC Saros. Go to your Nashville Predators. An Upper Deck Portrait Rookies of Jake Lecision. Go to your Vegas Golden Knights. So again, retail continues next week. We have Series 2 Hobby next couple nights. A Vasily Podolskin Blue Dazzler. A OPG base card of Sam Reinhart going to your Florida Panthers. Young Gun Incoming of Vasily Podolskin, Not bad. You bought Vancouver. That's who you're looking for. Congratulations to Vancouver. A Orange Dazzler of John Gibson. Going to your Anaheim Ducks. There we go. A Upper Deck Young Guns canvas coming up. Very nice. Matthias Samuelsson. Going to your Buffalo Sabres. Congratulations, Buffalo. What a box already. Marquee Rookies of Matthew Phillips. Going to your Calgary Flames. A Frederick Allard, Young Guns. Going to your Nashville Predators. Marquee Rookies, Benoit Olivier Gros. Going to your Anaheim Ducks. A Marquee Rookies, Parker Kelly, blue variation. Going to your Senators. Superstar Honor Roll. I thought it was black, but maybe it's just me. For your Nashville Predators, maybe just a coloring. Of Roman Josi. Thought it might have been a short print variant, but it doesn't look like it. It looks like it's just darker. An Upper Deck canvas of Morgan Riley. Going to your Toronto Maple Leafs. Just going to hit the cursor so we don't time out. Dawson Mercer, Upper Deck Portrait Rookies. Going to your Devils. Young Gun incoming for your Buffalo Sabres, Brett Murray, not Brent. Marquee Rookies, Ivan Prosvetov for your Arizona Coyotes. Young Gun incoming. For your San Jose Sharks, Jasper Weatherby. Orange Dazzler incoming. Joe Veleno going to your Detroit Red Wings. Upper Deck canvas, Sergei Bobrovsky for your Florida Panthers. Pulling the Triple H water spout. Marquee Rookies of Niels Lundqvist going to your Rangers. Young gun incoming for your Arizona Coyotes, Dyson Mayo. Marquee rookies, Taylor Radish for your Tampa Bay Lightning. Is it just me, or did we hit almost every NHL team in this box break? What a spread. Good for you guys. And last pack, and bear with me as we get back to the main screen, we end with a, could be a nice one, a very nice one. A Mason McTavish, Young Guns for your Anaheim Ducks. Way to end the box. And this was a good box to begin with. So we're going to go back to the main screen, show who owns Anaheim, and then sign off with the time. That's why it'll be a full circle break. Search for Anaheim. Henny Orange CRB Duster. Congratulations not only on the last hit, but that was a good hit. And we're going to hit refresh here. It's now 10:21 p.m., my friends. Thanks for joining the break. I appreciate it. That's it for retail this week. If you like Series 2, Hobby goes tomorrow night and Friday night as we try to finish off case number 2. Hope to see you then. Have a good night.